Hi there, my name is Kajal and here's a little video regarding my assignment 1. So here you can see my topology. So this is I have created firewall topology. So first you can see here is the router. I use the router 2811. There are two server, internet server and DMZ server. On the other hand side you can see is a four workstation. One is the administrative staff, production staff, IT staff and guest staff. So the main purpose of this assignment is that the administrative staff must able to web access for both internet and DMZ, but only DNS access to DMZ. For production staff must able to web and DNS access to only DMZ server. Next, the IT staff must able to communicate with each and every workstation and server, plus it's able to web and DNS access for internet server and the DMZ server. Guest staff must able to web and DNS access to only internet. So let's see the configuration I have performed on router. So here I can show you. Okay, so show run. Okay, so here you can see my configuration that I have performed. So first step is that I have give the IP address to each interfaces. Here you can see interface 00. I have assigned the IP address. Then after that I have created the zone member. Here you can see I have created my zone members. Then after that I have created the class map. The class map we use because which policies, which protocols we have to apply to that zone. So here you can see the guest protocol is supposed to able to do to open the web and the DNS access to the only internet. The same thing I did for the rest of the zones. Then after that I have created policies map for everything, and then after that I have created the zone pair. Here you can see I have created the zone pair, and after creating zone pairs, then I have assigned each interface to that zone. So here you can see this interface FA0/0 is the zone member of security. Is the member of internet. Same steps I repeat for the rest of the interfaces. Then after that I have created the NAT pool and access list. That's everything regarding my router that I had did the configuration. Let's see the output result. Now, as I have told you, the administrative staff must able to web access for both. Let's see the result. Now I go to the web browser. Okay, it's taking time. Okay, so here it's open. So administrative staff must able to web access to the internet. So in the URL I'll put the IP address of the internet. It's 172.16.40.90. Enter. So yeah, here you can see I'm able to access internet. So this page look like this. The same thing for the DMZ. So I just change the IP address. So the IP address of the DMZ is 172.16.41.90 and enter. So yeah, here I'm able to web access the DMZ. Now the next thing is that the administrative staff must able to DNS to the DMZ only. Same thing, I'll go to the web browser. Now instead of IP address, I'll put the URL of the DMZ. Oh, it's taking time. Mm, okay, so yeah, so for regarding of this screen, first you have to give the, here you can see the DNS server. I put the IP address of the DMZ, so it's really important step that you don't have to forget about it. Then in the URL you have to type the which URL you have already gave. So I gave the URL www.dns underscore dmz underscore dns.com. So yeah, I'm able to DNS access for the DMZ. Now similar thing I did for the production and guest. Now let's look at the IT, because IT has all the protocols that we have used, like it's able to open the web and DNS access for the both the servers, and it's able to ping to each and every destination or workstation. So here I open the internet IT, then first I'll show you the ping result. So I'll ping first internet server, that is a 172.16.40.90. So here you can see the result, like is able to communicate with the internet. Next thing is that is supposed to ping to DMZ server. So here you can see is able to ping DMZ, similar with the administrative staff. It's 172.30.40.10. So here you can see the result. It can able to ping the administrative. Similar thing for the production, so it's 41.10. So here you can see result, yes, it's able to ping. And for the guest is 43.10. yes, so I'm able to ping to each and every workstation. So I hope that's everything that is able to open web and DNS access to the administrative production. Now let's see the result for the guest. Now guest administrative able to open the internet, like web and DNS access to only internet, not to DMZ. Now let's check the web access to the internet. So for the web access, I'll put the IP address 172.16.40.90. So here you can see I'm able to open the web access to internet, and instead of IP address I'll put the URL of that www. It's gonna show the same thing. I'll just close this window. I'll again open it. Sorry. So yeah, here I'll put the URL www.internet_dns.com. Yeah, here is the result, like is able to DNS access to internet. So that's everything. I hope you understood what I did. That's a wrap up. Have a good day. Bye bye.